Ang araw na ito ay para sa may akda, para sa Filipinong manlilikha, sa aklat at sa copyright.
At copyright ay isang araw na nagse-celebrate ng mga autor, ng mga manlilikha at ang kanilang mga nilikha. Very important. Well, what is more important is the authors are aware of their rights as authors over their works. It's very important also that the public is aware about basic copyright laws and the basic rights of authors when they engage through reading, through criticism, and through other forms.
Before you can come up with a book, it will take time, effort, and a lot of energy. And in fact, even money, diba, to come up with that book. Hindi naman yan in a matter of second, you have a book already. Diba? You have to spend sleepless nights. Diba? You have to invest time. Diba? And then, if you're done already with the book, it is already published, suddenly it can be copied in a matter of seconds. Yung illegal copy na yon, someone will benefit from it. And of course, the potential market, no, of your work will be affected also. On that basic principle, no, I think we have to respect talaga intellectual property rights.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to introduce to you MBDB and IPO's new book champions and IP ambassadors.
You know what inspires an author is that, you know, he puts a lot of his own self-worth, his creative input and endeavor into a book. And it's nice that it is recognized to be yours so that it continues to inspire you to write more and inspires other people to write more as well. Because of course, you know, many people make their living from the writing or gain their idea of self-esteem and self-worth from the writing. So I think it's very important that we maintain and uphold copyright here in the Philippines.
Oo, bali dalawa yung sagot. Nakakatulong siya, lalo na sa information campaign, kasi alam natin na yung generation ngayon ay very internet savvy, no? So, nagagamit ang internet sa pagpapalaganap ng impormasyon tungkol sa proteksyon para sa copyright, paggalang sa akda, isa pang paraan kung paano nakakatulong yung technology. Mas madaling malaman ng author kung sino yung kumukopya ng kanyang akda, no? Sa pamamagitan ng internet, kasi may copy-paste, di ba? So, minsan, hindi nakikredit kung sino yung creator ng akda at dahil sa technology, madali nang malaman kung sino yung nangongopya. And at the same time, isa rin siyang balakid kasi minsan, mas napapadali yung paglabag sa copyright o sa karapatan ng author sa pamamagitan ng email. Kunwari, yung buong libro ay in-scan, copy, ganyan. Tapos ginawa siyang parang e-book. Tapos nai-email siya kung kani-kanino. So mas mabilis yung parang piracy ng libro through technology.
Naniniwala ako sa kahalagahan ng trabaho ng isang artist at naniniwala ako na napakahalaga na mapangalagaan ang karapatan ng artist sa mga nilikha niya. Yun. At kailangan mapahayag ito ng mas malawak.
Ito pong araw na ito, pinapakita natin sa lahat ng Pilipinong may mga ambisyon na maging malilikha, manunulat, mandudula at lahat pang uri ng creative activity na tayo po ay nakahandang ipagtanggol ang kanilang karapatan sa kanilang mga ginawa. At dahil kapag tayo po ay marami ng mga innovator sa ating bansa, sigurado po malalampasan na natin ang ibang mga bansa sa ASEAN at baka sa buong Asia at kahit na sa mundo.
Well, first of all, for my fellow authors, yes, continue writing, get your works copyrighted. There are many efforts right now being done by the Philippine government and by private groups to make sure that our writings will be respected and will flourish here and to create a very vibrant community of writers in the Philippines. And to our local readers, tangkilikin yung literaturang Pilipino. I think it's very important. We should always also look to our own writers as well.